In 2026, 3D printing is more accessible and powerful than ever, from beginners' hobby machines to high-precision models for advanced makers. Whether you're printing prototypes, models, or functional parts, the right 3D printer transforms ideas into reality. Below are 5 of the best 3D printers, each offering reliability, performance, and great features for a range of users. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Anycubic Cobra 3. The Anycubic Cobra 3 is one of the standout 3D printers on Amazon for 2026, offering a compelling blend of performance, convenience, and affordability that appeals to both beginners and intermediate makers. Built around a sturdy frame and intuitive design, this printer includes auto-bed leveling technology that dramatically reduces setup time, one of the most common hurdles for new users. With a generous build volume, it handles everything from functional prototypes and practical tools to detailed models and artistic prints. Its reliable extrusion system supports a variety of filaments like PLA, PETG, TPU, and other common thermoplastics, giving you flexibility for creative projects. The intuitive touchscreen interface and streamlined controls make it easy to start prints, tweak settings, smooth layer adhesion, and dependable performance across different materials. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro. The Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a strong mid-range 3D printer that excels in stability and print quality. Featuring auto bed leveling, a dual-gear direct extruder, and a dual lead screw drive, it delivers consistent extrusion, improved layer adhesion, and fine details, even on larger prints. Its sizable print area provides flexibility for bigger designs, and the removable capacitive screen enhances ease of control and monitoring. Users often praise its stable performance and ease of setup, making it suitable for both beginners and more experienced users exploring functional prototypes or artistic projects. With broad material compatibility, from PLA to flexible filaments, the Neptune 3 Pro is versatile for everyday printing needs. As one of Amazon's frequently listed 3D printers, it offers a solid mix of reliability, precision, and user-friendly features at a competitive price point. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is gaining traction among Amazon buyers as a quiet, compact, and capable 3D printer. With full auto calibration and active flow compensation, it simplifies setup and consistently delivers smooth, accurate prints, a big benefit for beginners and busy hobbyists. The compact design and reduced noise output, less than or equal to 48 decibels, make it ideal for home workshops or offices where quieter operation matters. It handles standard filaments well and offers a solid balance of speed, precision, and ease of use. Many users appreciate its plug-and-play nature. You can go from unboxing to first print quickly, without advanced tweaks. As part of Bambu Lab's growing lineup, the A1 Mini represents a modern, user-friendly printer that stands out among Amazon's popular offerings for everyday 3D printing. Number 2. Creality Ender 3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender 3 V3 SE continues the legacy of Ender's best-selling line on Amazon by balancing affordability and performance. Its auto bed leveling, Sprite direct extruder, and dual Z-axis make printing more reliable and reduce common setup frustrations. While compact, the build volume is plenty for everyday prints like prototypes, models, and tools. The Ender ecosystem has extensive community support, making upgrades and troubleshooting easier for new makers. Its print speed and accuracy are competitive for its price class, and support for common filaments, PLA, PETG, TPU ensures flexibility. Many in the maker community appreciate the Ender 3V 3SE's accessible entry point to 3D printing, quick setup, solid results, and a strong support base for growth. Number 1. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is one of Amazon's top best-selling 3D printers, combining user-friendly design with capable performance. It uses a Core XY all-metal structure for fast, precise movement and prints up to 600 millimeters per second, helping reduce print time without sacrificing quality. Auto bed leveling and a quick swap nozzle make setup and maintenance easier. A big plus for beginners and intermediate users. With a build volume around 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, it's well suited for a wide range of projects, from functional parts to detailed models. Its direct extruder handles materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU reliably, while the detachable components simplify part removal and cleanup. As a top seller on Amazon, the Adventurer 5M's balance of speed, ease of use, reliability, and affordability makes it a standout choice for creatives, hobbyists, and homemakers entering 3D printing. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.